First of all, it is free. It is all free. It is 100% free. No hidden fees, no credit card trials, and no commitment to open an account, nothing of this sort.
Why do 75 to 80% of all Forex traders lose money? Well, there is a few reasons that can increase the chances. The main reason is not being prepared. You are planning on trading the biggest market in the world, yet you do not prepare yourself enough. This could change your life. You could make a fortune trading, or you could make the kind of monthly income that will give you the freedom to do whatever you want, and yet you go in unprepared. If you go into the Forex market unprepared, you will let this opportunity slip. But if you go in prepared, you will seize this opportunity. Do you want to make a full-time career out of Forex, or do you want to keep throwing away your money to an investment that you are not sure about?
Not having your own strategy, your own principles, and getting bits and pieces of a strategy is not a very wise thing to do.
Excessive risk-taking, trading lot sizes that are beyond what your account can handle. Trading with misinformation or lack of information is yet another reason. Trading with your instinct, with your intuition, with your feeling or human nature. Nature and feelings are your enemies. If you continue making these mistakes, you will probably get in trouble again. Huge losses, margin calls, position liquidation. If this is how you trade, my genuine advice to you is to quit Forex for good, because that will save you money and will put an end to wasting your time. Forex is not a gamble. Many people start trading in Forex thinking that it can make you rich, but that is only half true. You need strong will, you need determination, you need preparation, a lot of preparation. You need to be tenacious. You need to believe in what you are capable of. I am here to teach you how to deal with that. Join the elite league of traders who make money in Forex. And always remember what the legend himself, Warren Buffett, said: the best investment you can make is in yourself.